Guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we're going to get a Metro Zero skin on our third account. So we need 1,200 tokens to get a Metro Zero skin and we only have 1,084, so we need 116 more. And these are all the effects and avatar borders and emotes that I had acquired in the previous draws. So I'm still hoping to get a Metro Zero recall, or maybe if I'm lucky I might get a Metro Zero skin from the draw. But at least give me a good number of Spirit Gummy per draw, 10 and above, so I don't have to spend much. Okay, so one more. Two and three. What? Did I just get a recall? I got the recall! Wow! But the bad news is I only have 1,148. That's the bad thing. I got the recall, good news, but the bad news is I only got a few. So I think I still need 52 tokens, so that's around 5 draws. Wow. But this I got the recall. That's great news. So let's draw again. 15. Nice. So I think we have good RNG now, hopefully. Let's draw one more. Don't give me a 5. Typical Munton. Anyways, I'm gonna come back. I think I still need around 3 to 5 draws. But at least we got the recall effect, which I'm going to equip now. I think it's already a win because I got the recall. Equip all. I'm gonna come back, guys. Okay guys, I'm back and I recharged an additional 224 diamonds, and I hope that I can get it in 3 or 4 draws. Let's go. Oh, we got a duplicate. That's 30. Nice. Now our RNG is lucky, guys. So we can get this now in one more draw unless I get a spawn effect or killing notification. Let's trying the top method. Let's go. And we got 12. Nice. So now can exchange for a Metro Zero skin with 124 diamonds to spare. So I over recharged, but that's okay. I wouldn't have known that I would get a duplicate avatar border. So in my third account, I'm going to get X-Borg because I already have Roger on my first and second account, and I don't have a limited X-Borg skin on my third account. Let's go. Nice. Invoker's Flame X-Borg. Collection points obtained 3,000. Yeah. I like the ultimate animation. You get to see something pop up on the top of X-Borg's head when it explodes. So this is a great skin. Very flashy. So this is my 464th skin on my third account. Pretty lucky, guys, because not only that we got it in just 120 draws, we also got a lot of effects, especially the recall. So that's a win for us. Thank you for watching. What skin did you get? Share on the comments down below. Bye bye.